Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name's Debora Medina and what's up? I'm back. We tried something risky today and I think we succeeded. For today's video, I recreated a look that I saw on Instagram and I really like it. I really like how it came out. Obviously it doesn't look exactly the same, you'll see, because I show the video in this video and I show the picture of the look in this video as well. So stay tuned for the rest of this video to see how I recreated this look that was inspired. If my head looks like huge, I'm sorry. So for today's look, I got some inspiration from this video that I saw. I pulled it up real quick. We're gonna watch it. I'll put the picture somewhere around here for y'all to actually see what I'm really going for. Listen, I'm not saying it's gonna look the same because I'm not a beauty guru, but you know, it's worth a shot. Let's give it a try. The girl's social media and stuff will be linked in the description box below. She is so talented. Her makeup's on point, okay? And I'm trying to be like that. So right now I'm gonna follow step by step on her Instagram tutorial, and yeah, I'll link that down below. I'm gonna go ahead, do my brows off camera, you know, prime my eyelids, and then we'll come back and go straight into the eye look and finish off the rest of this look. Okay, so now that our brows are done, I apologize if they look a little bit too crazy. I'm sorry. Okay, I kind of got ahead of myself. I started listening to music and I just got in my zone. So we're gonna try and follow it step by step, like an actual, you know, like a recreation. As in the picture, you see that she drew clouds and stuff. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do, you know, the very subtle thing. So she starts off by applying yellow right here. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a disaster. My brushes aren't clean. Oh my gosh. I will be taking those two colors to apply them. Let's go, let's get it alert. Her yellow is very pigmented, so I'm going to try and get my yellow as pigmented as hers. Let's see, we're going to move on to the Zulu palette. We're going to be using this orangey color right here. She took the orange, applied it right here, and blended the yellow with the orange. That way it's not like a harsh line. Hi. We're going to move on to this color from the Zulu palette. From the Zulu palette, we're going to focus it on the next part right here. So she goes from yellow to orange to pinky and then to purple. So this part right here will be the pink. Just so you don't mess up the blend, you can always go back, grab a little orange, and then apply it right there, just so it doesn't get lost between the yellow and the pink.
Honestly, this isn't what I envisioned.
I don't know how she did it, and I kind of want to cry. Okay, we're gonna apply purplish down here. We're not gonna drag it too out because it already looks kind of crazy. So just to make the pink stand out a little bit more, I used a really bright pink from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette right there. Next, she cut her lid. So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna cut our lid. That's as good as our crease is gonna get. Okay, next. So, right on this line right here, we're not gonna try and make it too thick. She did a very bright yellow. We're going to be taking this yellow right here from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Oh my gosh, how is this gonna work? The color isn't coming out as I envisioned it to. This is as good as it's gonna get. Let me do the other eye. So then she added like a bright pink right here, and on the outer part, so in the middle of the yellow and the pink, it looks kind of orangey. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. For mascara, I will be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. We are using these J-Lash lashes in Aulani. They look like so, they're very dramatic and I love them. We're having some technical difficulties. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Okay, never mind. Our lashes are put on. Swaggy, swaggy, swag, swag, swag. Time to move on to our carita. Which in English is our little facita. Moving on to priming our face, we are going to be using the Professional primer for our nose, and we're going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer for the rest of our face. Okay, moving on to foundation. We are going to be mixing the Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick and the Fenty Beauty foundation. So first I apply just that to my face, and then we blend. So now I am filming off of an iPhone X. I was gonna say broke because I don't have a camera, but I have the iPhone X. How am I broke? Just gonna take 2 pumps because why not, okay? We are going to move on to contouring and concealing. For concealing, we are going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, as I always use. Blend away. I don't use a lot of concealer because I feel like I don't need it, but I have been really needing to focus my concealer a lot on my under eyes just because work is rough, and yeah. We're going to set it right away. We're going to bake the under eyes. I am using the I'm using the Airspun Loose Face Powder. As we're letting that bake, we're gonna go ahead and get our Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour stick. Just like that, very quickly. We're gonna focus it, start blending it like upwards, kinda. Like that, like so. Now we're going to bake the contour, and then we're just gonna set the rest of our face. We're going to take Bahama Mama from The Balm. And that's not it. We want to look really bronze, so we're going to take Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Cheek time. We're going to be taking a mixture of all these three because we're feeling risky. Highlight time. I'm going to be mixing in those two babies with this one. Yeah. Yeah. And glow, baby, glow. Just like that. Who is she? I don't know her. I don't. We're taking the purple that we used on around here and we're bringing it down, and then we're gonna smoke it out with the light pink. Applied some black liner to my waterline, both up and down, and then I'm going to apply mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm taking the NYX lip liner in Nude Beige. Then we're taking this Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in Patina. So since I'm not going anywhere, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. setting spray, but if I was going to like party, I would use my Urban Decay all-nighter, you know? Oh my gosh, that's it for the completed look. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making this. I'm definitely gonna play with some more colors out of my comfort zone, and I will film it for y'all. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, then hello, subscribe already. And if you want to get notified every time that I upload, then click the bell next to the subscription box to be notified. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this look as much as I enjoyed making it for y'all to see. This look will also be featured on my main Instagram as a mini video tutorial, so if you want to check out how that looks, then make sure you check out my social media linked in the description box below as well as at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But that does complete the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as I always say, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Bye!